Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's cover the question. A data set contains consecutive positive integers. The range of the data set is 30 and the largest integer in the data set is 7 times the smallest one. If one of the integers is selected at random from the data set, what is the probability that the selected integer is a multiplier for both 4 and 5? Okay, now let me assume x is the first and also the smallest positive integer in the data set, and the last and also the largest integer in the data set is 7x, that is 7 times the smallest one. We know that x is the smallest one. 7 times the smallest one means 7x. Now we have the smallest positive integer x and the largest positive integer 7x in the given data set. Let's find the range. The formula to get the range of a data set is the largest value negative smallest value. Here the largest value is 7x and the smallest value is x. Okay, then we get 6x as a range. Already we have the range in the question, there is 30. Then this 6x and 30 must be equal. Okay, now let me equate them. Let's solve for x in this equation. For that we have to divide both sides of the equation by 6. Then this 6 will cancel out. I am getting x equals to 5. Okay, here I got the smallest positive integer in the given data set. Okay, then the consecutive positive integers will be 6, 7, 8. It will keep going. The largest positive integer is 7x. That is 7 times 5. We get 35. Okay, here 5 is the smallest and also the first positive integer, and 35 is the last and also the largest positive integer in the given data set. Okay, now I'm going to select an integer at random in these integers, and we have to find probability that the selected integer is a multiplier for both 4 and 5. Okay, now to find the required probability, I must be knowing the number of integers we have over here. Okay, now let me consider the positive integers from 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it continues 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes up to 35. How many positive integers are over here from 1 to 35? Everyone can say there are 35 positive integers, but we need the number of integers from 5 to 35. Then we have to remove these 4 positive integers from the total 35. 35 negative 4 is 31. That means there are 31 positive integers we have from 5 to 35. Okay, since we have 31 positive integers in the given data set, it has to be written in denominator to get the probability. Since we have to find probability that the selected integer is a multiplier for both 4 and 5, we have to consider the integer in this data set which is a multiplier of both 4 and 5. There is only one integer 20 which is a multiplier for both 4 and 5. Okay, since there is only one integer which meets the given condition, we have to write the 1 in numerator over here. So 1 over 31 is the probability that the selected integer is a multiplier for both 4 and 5.